Yeah, sure. Just let me finish my crossword first. But you still can come in. Is this a new bed? Yeah. Like it? It looks comfortable. And it is comfortable. So, how's life? Just... no, the usual.
Come on. It's gotta be better than the usual.
Look, just let me do my crossword, man.
Sorry.
Man. Let's go. Damn, done. Happy? Hey, yo, come out. What is this? This isn't footy. Wow, I want to play footy. By the way, footy sucks. You suck. How do I suck? Well, you suck if I beat your butt in basketball. Oh, come on, it isn't that high. Let me show you how to score. Please. I can do better. Check this out. What up? What up? What are you doing, man? Stop that. Don't make me do this. That hurt, man. I challenge you in Naruto. Fine. By the way, heads up. Loser. No, my account. No, my account. No, my account, man. Account. My account. My account. My account. Fine. You already are in your account. Noob. Ah. Better luck next time, loser.